Hey, good morning, everyone. Ray Powers, Right Line Trading. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I'm not offering any type of trading advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. We're just doing a demonstration of our products and services here at Right Line Trading. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We got Steven crushing it. Wow, this market is selling off. Let's go to the power play real quick. We need a bit of a retracement here. Okay, let's let things settle down here. I got excited. I just saw that huge move down, and I just want to say good morning first. The market just opened. We're just a few minutes late getting started. I want to say happy Friday to everybody. It is Friday, September 26th. And if you're joining us today, that's the good news, most importantly. Any day above ground, we've started it off on the right track. Let's look at the news reports coming out. Um, we had an 8:30 core PCE price index. Then we have some yellow folder, lower impact reports. And then at 10 a.m., we go back to an orange folder with the revised consumer sentiment. Let's just take a real quick look at that red folder report that came out at 8:30. Um, the core inflation rate held at 2.9% in August, as expected. Okay, so that's good news. There wasn't a big increase in inflation in August. Now we're getting a pop to the upside. Oh, I wish I would have kept that enabled. Hindsight is always 2020. The Mack truck scores. Power play. Kaboom. Let's see if we still got some legs left. Big move up. Let's try to catch it. Let me get my ETP on the leapfrog. Very tempting to go to Steven. Leapfrog is right up there. Smart Velocity's on my leaderboard. The RJ Star Drone. Let's see if we can get this push up to resistance. Good morning, Rodney. Good morning, Suzanne, Carol, Rion, Duke, Tom. Good morning. Now, if you had signed up last week for that free lagometer, you should have gotten it yesterday. And I'm going to put that link back in today. If you're trading without a lagometer, you could be trading in very hazardous conditions. Geez, we're right in, but our Steven is back in. Let's take a look at Steven. Um, well, we could get a long entry here on a signal B. Got a really nice leaderboard. Foaming at the bit over here. We run these bots through the overnight session pre-market, and you could see, I mean, it's not even 9:36 yet. It's not even 9:45, and we've got several bots just crushing it in this trading environment. Number one on my leaderboard, Steven, the leapfrog, right up there. This could be a signal A long, a pop to the upside. Let's make sure we're looking at the right strategy. Power play drone, yes. I'm going to put this one on Steven. Oh, there we go. We're in. See if we can get some follow through the upside here. Come on up. Come on up. I almost took profits on my PA and left it. Come on, give me a pop to the upside. Let's go. There you go. Get my window. I'm going to take profits right there on my PA accounts. See if I can get my evals on the board. Come on, push up. We've got our ETP accounts in on the leapfrog. And I got my Apex accounts in on the power play. Trying to get in my profit window. Oh, boy, I just missed it there. Oh, boy. Well, my stop is now attached to my 15 EMA. I went over my 60 tick threshold on that Smart Stop 3. Ah, well, I'm glad I took profits on the PA account. I was watching it pre-market and I saw it do that 2 or 3 times in a row. It was up $200-300 and then came back. Didn't make it. Look at gold. Gold is crushing it. I'm trading that new it's a two contract strategy on a 4 Unarenko on gold. And it's been, man, it's crushing it. Watch how this trade manages. It's got the leapfrog integration on it. It's up $3,380 on a 4 Unarenko, trading the gold instrument. Oh, put us in long. Put us in dangerous position long. Very tight. Ah, man almighty. Let's let it ride one more time. I think we got a short coming. Yeah, Steven. Steven was in that short position the whole time. Took some heat, but now it came back. My 20U is dancing on the 50. I'm watching that. Hmm. Didn't copy this one here. I am in on it on the leapfrog. I'm gonna put my profit target right below resistance. I want to get in that window and protect my gains here. Here we go. We're in the leapfrog situation. Bam, there we go. Oh, I'm sick not getting my apex on here. That's okay though. Okay, we came back in the green on all of our accounts. Let's go back to the power play. Boy, this gold is just running up the score. Look at this gold bot. I mean, it keeps leapfrogging, is what's so nice about this position, this strategy. I really like it. Nice, Steven. Good morning. See, the 20U keeps bouncing. When that 20U comes down to that 50, it bounces. I'm afraid to take a short roll here. It's bouncing right off the 50 on my 20U. It's going to take an entry now. Oh, ooh, didn't get in. I can't believe it didn't get in that trade. Oh, man. Let me see if I'm enabled. I am enabled. Great trade, Steve. I think this is going to come and put me in another long. I don't want to take a long below. Oh, no. Come on down. Oh, no. It's not the way I thought it was going to go. Come on, roll. Take a roll. My momentum's pegged to the top, and I'm in a short trade. Oh, no. I'm in trouble. Yeah, I saw that coming. My momentum was pinned to the top. Ay, 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 ay. Give it one more shot. Ouch. Tempted to copy one of these gold trades. It's just with two contracts, it's a lot of risk. Get this thing go. There it goes on the leapfrog. Jumped right back in long. We're about to get into a power play trade. Yeah, we're going to need a break of resistance. Let's see if we can get back in the game. Oh, look at the ES30 range took off. The ES8U scalper in the game on the 8U scalper on the E-mini. Got some bots doing really well today. See if we can break resistance here. ES is pushing higher. It's Mack Truck. Mack Truck found a couple of nice trades this morning. Whoa. $2,000 contracts a minute. We got some decent volume. I'd much rather see a signal A long. That 20U is just too tight to the 50 for a short. Come on, pop to the upside. I'm going to wait for this thing to find a direction. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, man. That's what I was looking. I was looking for that long entry. But listen, I don't like this sideways action. I'd rather not be in it. This is a nail biter. It looks like it found its way through it. Come on, get my window. Looking for a leapfrog here. I'm in this trade on my ETP copier. Looking for a leapfrog. This is a nail biter. I saw this nail biter coming. This is a nail biter. Happy Friday, everybody. The weekend is upon us. I'm gonna wait for a nice juicy entry. I'm gonna wait for price action to start moving again. Gonna make my last entry. I gotta make it count. Let's see if it breaks the 50 on that 20 Unarenko. That really acts as a really great area of support. That 50 EMA on my 20 Unarenko. Price has been bouncing off it all morning. The bulls are still in control. We're still in a looking for long trades. But that can change very quickly. Very quickly. Let's see what happens on this one. I always like to move my profit target right below resistance. It not only does it give price a clear shot at my profit target, but it also gets me in that profit window quicker, where my stop will fly up right before I get to resistance and protect my gains. Oh, man, there it goes. Okay, now it's leapfrogging. Protecting my downside. If it bounces off of this resistance, still make a few dollars on the trade. Come on, leapfrog me one more time. I got some ground to make up on my right line funding accounts as well. Push up. Wow, good morning. Looking for a leapfrog. Come on, push up a little higher. Got a really exciting trade management feature called the leapfrog. You just saw it in action. This will continue to lock in profits. Huh, I'll be darned. My ETP closed out the trade. What? Huh, I'll be darned. Oh, it got stopped out. Okay. We're right back up to resistance. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. My gold bot's crushing it on the 4U. It's back in another long. I think I'm going to switch it to a one contract strategy though. But with the leapfrog on the two contracts, it doubles you up. Oh, wow. That was a burst of volatility. Oh, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news report. It must have been good news. Must have been good news. Watch the break of resistance. Revised consumer sentiment. We're looking for the break of resistance to the upside. Gold is taking off again. Wow, look at the volume on gold. Oh man, look at this. Gold is turning 1,100 contracts a minute on that news report. I want to be ready for this break of resistance on the NASDAQ. I'm too late on the gold move. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, I got the ETPs back. I'm back in the green on the ETPs. I'm looking for a long through resistance. And gold is headed to the moon. Oh, wow. Gold's at 4,430. Hit the profit target limit. I'll tell you what, I think I'm going to jump in a gold trade. Oh, it's taken off. Maybe I wait for the pullback. This thing's just going to the moon. Let me wait for a pullback. We're very close to getting in a short here on the power play. We're in. All right, let's get some follow through now. The downside. Don't come back. Oh, man. Come on down. On the 20U, I'm right at the 50. Ah, man, that is such an area of support. It's just amazing. Then the gold jumped back in. Come on down. Push down. There you go. Tempted to take profits. Come on down. Push down. A little further. Don't come back now. Come on down. Push down. Get in my window. Get in my window. Get in the window. Yes. Come on down. Woo! Take a sigh of relief when that happens. Don't come back yet. Don't come back yet. Push down a little further. Ah, all right. Got a little bit of that money back. Still alive. on this Friday morning. I chickened out of gold. I'd be in this long move. This might have some more legs to the downside. Boy, this Mack truck is scoring left and right, up and down. It can't find a loser. That Mack truck. Let's get a break of support. Come on, one more leg down. One more leg. There we go. We're gone. Come on, let's ride it. Take one more leg down. Don't come back yet. There you go. Come on down. There you go. Come on down. Get in my window. There you go. Come on down. Push down. Push down. One more leapfrog. There you go. One more. Push it down. Give me that leapfrog one more time. There you go. Break support. Nice. I'll take it. Take it to the house. Big comeback on a Friday. Friday. Bam. Across the board. That's how we do it at Right Line Trading. Everything green. The bots. The bionic bots. Yes. And gold is still running up the score. I found a strategy on the 4 Unorenko that is just taking it to the house. Last I looked, it was at $4,000. It is trading 2 contracts. I got it on a leapfrog. There it goes. There it goes on the leapfrog. You can see this gold is just on fire. Watch it leapfrog. See, the neat part about it is it has two targets. It'll never reach this one. It'll just keep leapfrogging on the first one. But it doubles your winners and losers. Here we go. It's taking another short roll. We found the ebb and flow on our power play and leapfrog. Bam, another leapfrog. Here we go. Gold is taking off to the moon. Man, I was so close to enabling that strategy, and I chickened out. But let me tell you something. This 4 Unorenko on gold, we might have found a gold mine. $5,400. 5,400. It is a 2 contract strategy. Right back in long. And there goes power play short. Power play found the ebb and flow. Let's put it right below, right above support. Bam. Boy, this thing can't find a loser. It's a little different than Mark's. I I just made it yesterday out of the blue. Today's the first day trading it, so I don't want to get overly excited about it. Mark's strategy might be doing just as well. This is two contracts. So if we trade one, I really want to change it to a one contract because I don't want to take a loser. Got a 20 tick stop. It has a very tight stop, but it's trading two contracts, so you're risking 400. And the nice part about it is you can hit a home run. This thing has hit several home runs since this session started. But I'm willing to share it. Listen, if you want it, I'll give it to you. I just want you to understand that it only has, you know, one day. Things can be very misleading in just one session. Wow, look at the Smart Velocity drone. The Smart Velocity is the difference with the Smart Velocity is it has a 100 tick stop loss. Wow, you got to be trading gold. My goodness. Carol, where are you on gold? That was a gold monster move. See, I always say, gold may not be our most profitable, consistent strategy, but it's very valuable to have in our toolbox. When you see institutional money putting money into it and manipulating it, it's a safe haven. It's institutions use it, and they were dumping money into gold as quick as they could. It's still showing consistency, huh, Duke? Great. I think that was on a 2 unit Renko, if I remember correctly. Well, we made a nice comeback today. We hung in there. I was right at my loss limit, and I would have stopped, but we saw price action. The market was flying. Our leaderboard was filled with winning bots. I couldn't end the day in the red. Well, I could have, but luckily the trading gods were on our side. But when we have a leaderboard that looks like this and the market is flying the way it was, I like our chances. And that's why I stuck with it. So I made a really nice comeback. Thanks to the bots. It definitely wasn't me, that's for sure. These bots can make me look like a good trader, and that's hard to do. I assure you. There's some people that, and I'm one of them, that can mess up, a perfect trading day. Yeah, ODP's not on the list today. Let's take a look at the losing bots. I always get emails and questions about it. They say, hey, you got the holy grail, man. There are bots on the bottom that are losing. I don't want to mislead anybody. We don't have the holy grail here. We do have a good tool that does provide you with an edge. When market conditions are right, we do have the ability to run up the score. Gold's going to take another leg. We got the old pull back and go. We got the E-mini. Here's gold. Here's the E-mini doing its thing on the ES8U scalper. So we're kind of hitting on all cylinders right now. I'm going to do my weekly review on ChatGPT. And let's see how we did this week, which bots we're going to be keying in on next week. I know for sure I'll be keeping a close eye on this gold. I think I found something here, but time will tell. It always does. Thank you, Duke. All right, there goes gold. Let's see if this thing has some energy left. Got in a signal B. I would call that an overbought market. We got a little bit of a retracement, but not much. These are smaller Unorenco bars. They're not quite a 2 Unorenco. They're a 4. About half the size as an 8. And we trade the 8. We used to trade the 8 on the NASDAQ. Now we're trading it on a 30 range or a 20U. Craig Emery and Dave Kushner both trade the NASDAQ on an 8. The Steven bot uses the 8 Unorenco on the NASDAQ. Now you move to gold. We halved it to a 4 with this bot. That's what's so nice about these bots is once you do learn the settings and the parameters, you can build your own. Now we have a new member, Mr. K, and he's going to be studying those videos. I have a good feeling that he's going to catch on to this really strong. So we lit it up today, just like yesterday. Tejas, congratulations, Tejas, one of the members of our community, hit the Profit King Challenge, right? Great job, man. Hit the Profit King Challenge, paid 49 bucks, got $1,000 payout. He got $10,000 in one day, traded 5 contracts, took 4 trades, won all 4 trades, and won $1,000 one day. Not bad for risking 49 bucks or 50. I'm sorry, he bought 4 or 5 accounts. So he got $1,000 payout. I think he paid $250 for 5 accounts. Got a pretty good return on his investment. That that Profit King Challenge. The price is now $99. We had some people do really well with it. It's not that hard. Listen, it's very doable. I'm also going to be giving out my lagometer. I'm going to put this link in the chat box. Listen, do yourselves a favor. If you're not a member of our community, or even if you are and you don't have it, please click my link. You'll get instant delivery now. No more waiting. What does the lagometer do? Well, it kind of does what it says. It identifies if you have any latency or lag. The chart, the visual representation of the market, Shows you where price is and what time it is on the two axes. Well, if either one of them aren't accurate and you take a trade, the results may be different than what you expect. To put it bluntly, to put it kindly, how many times have you seen the P&L on your trade at 400? You close and you made 75 bucks, and you're like, "What the heck is going on here?" Right? Well, what that is, that's latency. What you're looking at isn't really where price is. You think the broker is, got his hand in your pocket. Get yourself a lagometer, and I just put the link in the room. If you click on my link, you'll get instant delivery, instantaneous. You'll just import one zip file, and then you'll go to new on your control center, market analyzer. You'll bring up a market analyzer, which is all this is. You right click, go to templates, load, and we got a beautiful template in there. It's called the RLT lagometer, and you just load that template on. If you And you can always add other instruments. Right click and add any instrument you want. Futures, Forex, whatever you're trading. All right, let's do, I got 8 minutes. Let's do really quickly. Let's do a review. Let's see how this week went. Let me pull up my performance. Let's see what our top bots are. Let's go 922 to 926. Let's generate it. This is all the accounts. I go to trades. I'm going to right click. I'm going to export it. And I'm going to put September 22nd through the 26th. And this is phase one. This is the chat GPT that we're going to be releasing any day now. This is the one where it's not a closed loop. We import the data. The next phase is going to be the closed loop where everything is connected. It's going to connect to your own database. It's going to connect to some outside sources. And it's going to be a little more in depth, provide a little more information. For what we're using this for now is we can add the data that I just downloaded, click process this week's trades, and it'll give you your best bots for the week. You could do as far as a look back as you want. And if I was running the iBots, which this week I didn't run because of a data issue, it would give me my top 5 AI bots and my top 5 iBots. Gold's back at it. Already up 5 grand and looking to add to it. Look, this bot gets 20 ticks and you're up 400 bucks. You could be done, gone. No muss, no fuss. You're done for the day very quickly. On this 2 contract strategy, our first target's 20 ticks. And we leapfrog right there. Stops at break even. And now we have the potential at no risk to hit a home run. Really a very, very smart strategy. You can see how tight my stop is. Not giving it much room at all. No risk on the table. And this thing will keep leapfrogging as the trade matures. It's absolutely beautiful strategy. There it goes again, locked in another leg. When gold's moving like it is today, this is a cash machine. I'm going to put this strategy in our Discord chat. I want everybody to have it. I'm up over $6,000 on it today. If you're trading a larger prop account, use this two contract strategy. If you're trading a smaller prop, 25, 50,000, go to the one contract. It's still going to have all the same benefits with the leapfrog. Let's move this over here. So my top bots for this week, my NQ30 velocity, $4,600 this week. That's trading one contract. Now listen, this isn't a back test, okay? This is something that actually trades that actually occurred this week. Trading a one contract strategy. Our velocity drone, which is more liberal with the stop, it gives it a lot more room. Twice as much room. Let me bring that gold back. I want to see how that trade goes. Oh, it took profits. Now it's in short. It's an aggressive strategy. We could definitely filter out the counter trend trades, but let's let it accumulate some data. It's very it's got a lot of potential for the first version of it. So the NQ30 range velocity. Let me do this in 2 minutes. I'm running out of time. 4,600. The ES30 star bot. Thank you, Robert. Thank you, Robert. $4,420 on the star bot ES30. It's on fire. Stephen A in the house. Stephen, $3,660. Crushed it. So our 1, 2, and 3 up over 12 grand for the week. Now look at this gold bot. It's just unbelievable. I'm in awe. Look at this thing go. It's just winner after winner. That's amazing. That thing might set a record today. Our 2-minute, our 1-day pass, our hottest 1-day pass for the week is the 2-minute on the NASDAQ. 2-minute on the NASDAQ. And then our star drone. The star drone is running the full session with a static stop and profit target settings, where the bot that adjusted it was a little more efficient at 4,400, but the drone was no slouch at 3,000. So those are our top bots for the week. Let's take a look and see where the PA accounts are. Let's put on today. A lot of data. Look where we are with the gold, $5,670. Rao, what I would do is I would make sure you're synced with the atomic clock. You might think I'm crazy. Get yourself synced with that atomic clock. In fact, on my lagometer page, I'm going to add the atomic clock because I think everybody needs it. If you're not synced with the atomic clock, you're going to get off the jump. Wrong accounts. You're going to get off the jump a half a second to a full second of lag. So here's the PA accounts, back up to 37,580. Made a really nice comeback. Was down to just over 35. Back up to 37,580 since January. My equity curve is flattened out, but I've maintained the accounts. And I'm looking to get on a winning streak here and build this up. We've got the fourth quarter of this year to Christmas to bring this equity curve go up higher. Coming up right behind me, it's Miller time. I'm going to put his link in this chat box. And if you would, on your way out the door, I hope everybody has a blessed weekend. Please like my video here on YouTube. It gives new eyes on our products and services, helps us out. Here's Mark's link. Have a blessed weekend, everybody. We had a real big day here. This is my leaderboard, just to recap. And let me bring over the ETP. Don't forget, we brought it to the house today again. 2 days in a row with just huge numbers. We had 770 to $800 across 6 accounts here. We got the PA accounts, the Apex Eval accounts on, and a leaderboard that's doing stuff like nobody's business. So have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you, God willing, on Monday. It's Miller time. Have a great Friday, everyone. Bye-bye. See you Monday, Rao. Tomorrow, I'll be at the Investors Summit. Yes, sir. God bless. All right, Rodney. Big day today. Great day trading. Good comeback. Good comeback. We were down, man. Woo wee. Came back.